Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday. And it's a Paper Pumpkin Wednesday, so it's an even better Wednesday. And I'm on time. Woo woo. Corey didn't even get to text me and tell me that it was Angela Clock. That's what my texts from Corey say on Wednesdays. It's Angela Clock. Get moving. So we are going to play with this one. Now I'm panicking a little because nobody's on. And so then it makes me go, okay, wait a minute. Have I screwed something? Oh, there we go. Marika's on. Bonjour, Marika. It was so nice hearing your voice today. Now you will notice it's a little bit moist in Vancouver. Hello, Jan. My Paper Pumpkin kit is a little bit damp. So I am going to open this up. I must start off with telling you I have extras, okay? So there are extra kits, and you just need to contact me to let me know. I can't get this open because I'm a spaz. Just a second. You haven't seen it yet? I haven't seen it either. Okay, just a sec. There we go. I'm going through, cutting through. Okay, we're in. Was your mom on? Hello, Kathy. Hello from California. Wish I was there. It's disgusting here. Okay, let's open. Oh, my box lid's different. They changed the box, people. How did I not notice that? Look at. Oh, no. Does that mean we... Oh, no, we can still take it apart. It'll still work. It's a little bit different, though. Our box is different. Oh, no. The box is not different. I opened the box upside down. I'm an idiot. Can everyone just, move on? Good. Yay. Okay. A little Night of Navy. Here we go. Super excited. That was embarrassing. So we have got this adorable stamp set. It says Season's Greetings. It says Winter Wishes. Oh my God, I seriously cannot even believe my stupidity right now. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. We've got these gorgeous snowflake. We've got like a birdie, and then we've got the dots. I know, seriously, but it is different. The box has changed slightly, yes? So I'm not like crazy in my reaction, but I was still opening it upside down. Wow. Yeah, I know, I'm pretty. Sure, we're not even going with that. That's why you can't see me. If only you could see my fried thing. Look at Marianita, we're all the same. So if you missed it, you've got this kit coming in October, and then the November kit coordinates with it. This one is actually a tag kit coming in November, so I'm giddy for that one. But let's check it out. Open it up. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so pretty. Love. Thank you. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so here we go. We're going to bust in. Let's see what we got. Looks like mine already got busted into, but it didn't do any damage. Or if it did, it's like on foldy bits and I can take care of it. I'm not worried. Okay, it's on foldy bits. Do you like that? You also opened yours upside down. Okay, so good. You guys are making me feel better about myself and my lack of brain power today. So we've got beautiful card bases. We've got those ones. They look like they're in Pool Party. I am going to keep the instructions, because we've all witnessed what happens when I choose not to use the instructions. It is good for nobody. You can't wait your... Oh. I always feel guilty when I get mine before other people. Okay, so let's look at our card bases. I feel like my card bases are all the same. This part is easy, breezy, cottage cheesy. How many did we get? Did anyone pay attention? I'm so bad. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 10. Woo woo. The box does look divine. Megan, I wonder if I'm allowed just to send you the box. I think I will just send you the box. Here, Megan, you can have the box. Okay, let's open this guy up. Now this guy appears to have taken a little bit of a beating. So let's see if we have, like, you've got a, mine seems, I don't know, looks weird. Something got a little crease, but it's on the front one, and he's a little bit creased, but I'm not really worried because it's a birch tree, so I can pull this off. I'm not gonna. But make sure yours is nice and flat. Yours has been stuck in Utah. You're a Paper Pumpkin VIP. Really? When do you get yours? I feel bad because other people have already had theirs. So I'm like, I'm missing out because I have major FOMO. Okay, so we're going to pop this out. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this. Easy breezy cottage cheese. I think that's like a grade 6 thing. It's, it's very PG. Very PG to say. If you can see this, I have to focus and finish the thought, please. This is actually on glimmer paper. So it's got some, not glimmer paper, sorry. What's our paper called? What's the one? It's not glossy. Shimmer paper, sure. If you can see it, it's actually got a little bit of sparkle to it. Now, all of the cards are the same. So this is, I'm not going to make you watch, or, me make endless cards. We're not making 12 cards together. You didn't get yours yet. Okay. So I've got this one. I've got this one. We have got a wood bit. You get yours sometime next week? Really? How do I get it fast? I will never understand that. Okay, so I'm going to put those wood bits away. I'm going to put my sparkly trees away. I have some dimensionals in there. I have taken out my pool party bits. And I believe, you think it's funny that I'm not that far. You're the last one to get it. I love it. Yep, you're like, I live next door to Stampin' Up's facility, and I'm the last person in the country to get it. Gotta love the postal service. Okay, so I'm taking out 2 cardinals. We're going to call them cardinals because they're red. I'm going to roll with that, people. Now, it shows, we've got this gorgeous envelopes, right? They're the ones that they seem to match the foil cards that we have. Yes? So we've also got some beautiful little sequins. They're like our snowflake ones that we've currently got. So what I'm going to do is I am going to get a sentiment on these. We're going to stamp the backgrounds. Okay, I should check my hands for ink before I touch the big pile of them. Keep. Get rid of. Okay. Cardinals flipped over, so when I tell you I can't find the cardinals, they're white cardinals right now. Hi, Beth. Okay, so what I'm going to do, now that I have talked your ear off, let's stamp, people. Here's Anne trying to get to the point and failing miserably. There we go. We're going to slap this one on here. I haven't not cleaned up from yesterday's Facebook Live. There are not enough hours in the day right now. And my whole, job, my teaching job, really gets in the way of my crafting sometimes. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to, really? With him? Yeah, with him. We're going to ink him up. Now, I'm going to check this because me and not following instructions. So it does tell me stamp the snowflake texture on the card bases. Woo, woo. Okay, so let's ink that up. I'm going to give it one schmoop on here. Yep, looks good. Okay, so we're going to come in here. We're going to go boop there. Oh, so pretty. It's super weird. It's like I'm missing my bottom comments. Ink check. I know, total ink check. Okay, here we go. Hi, Eldonna. Okay, and then we're going to do one more down in here. Do you love that? I think I love the card already. Good. Card's beautiful. Done. Finished. Let's call it a day. Okay, next one. Bonjour, Guylaine. Okay, next one we need sentiment. So how bigs are this? How bigs are they, people? Because I can talk. We want winter wishes or season's greetings. I am definitely more of a season's greetings girl. Okay, so we're going to pull this one. Again, I just put it down and then I onto it because it seems to make it kind of go the straightest onto the stamp. Jobs get in the way of creating. I know, they totally, but Denise, even as a stay-at-home mom, you're like, oh, I've got to do the cooking and the cleaning and oh, there's Eileen. Yay, Eileen. Okay, I ordered a whack of these. I got 7 of them. I'm like, you can knock off major Christmas cards with these. So I'm going to go, breathe, straight down. Straight off. Oh, not bad. Looking lovely. Okay, so again, pay attention. So it says, stamp snowflake, check. Did it. Step 1 finished. Step 2, adhere die cut trees to the card base using dimensionals. Tip, cut the dimensionals in half behind the tree trunks. Okay, I can do that. So we are going to take this and we are going to adhere this with dimensionals. Now, I am going to stick to using all the same type of dimensionals. I'm just going to be lazy right now and I'm going to go with my ones that are already here. I have this real issue of starting new sheets when an old sheet's done. Who wants to send me a kit? I know, Megan, seriously, we should start we can have, what's it called? Paper pumpkin smuggling. Get arrested by the Stampin' Up! Police. We will smuggle paper pumpkin kits. Oh, these guys might be really too big. Okay, so we're going to cheat. So we're really going to cut. Now, this would not be an issue if when we're just using, well, no, it still would be. You still have to cut them. I'm cutting. Do you see this? We're going tiny, people. You bought it for your mom. Your mom's going to love it. I miss you, Robin. Oh, hang on. You can't stick it down with the bagging on it. I have the fattest fingers. Ugh. I was just working on, oh my gosh, what were they? Synthesizing equations with Joe upstairs. I am so not. I just realized I'm not a science girl. I wish my brain operated that way. But I'm not lying when I tell you It does not. She loved it. Oh, good. Did you already get it in Winnipeg? Or should I say Winter Pig? Good God, girl, you guys are getting hammered. The foam strips, you know what? I should grab where are my foam strips? Stop being so smart. Just a second. Do you feel, are they thin enough? I feel like they might even be too thick. Okay, hang on. Let's just grab them. They're right here. They're in the drawer beside me. I feel like you're right. Why didn't we get foam strips? Well, I can bust into my foam strips. So if you are like me and cutting dimensionals into small pieces is making you want to poke yourself in the eye with your paper snips, let's try this. Let's do a strip. You know why? Because even the strips, look, because you're going to catch bits. You're going to catch birch bits, and you don't want to catch birch bits. You've got to keep it. And because the birch bits are kind of like sticky outy. Oh, now they're a different thickness. I can't use them. Oh my gosh, this is comical. Anyone else want to see me mess this up? Okay. Key importance to me is make sure I've got them high up, make sure I've got them down low. So I feel like all of mine are going to stay fairly adhered with the exception of you, who is completely naked. Don't be naked. Yeah, I think the strips would work. I think you're absolutely right. But I think my problem is I went and stuck dimensionals on, and now I've got different thicknesses happening because I don't know if you've noticed, but your strips, you got thicker strips than you do dots. Sure. So now I'm peeling these off and making a mess because, you know, that's what I do. Birch bits. I know. Yeah, but I think, and right, I think it just comes down to I can't think fast enough for how fast I talk is my issue, which is actually quite sad. My mouth moves way faster than my brain. And so I have to kind of create words as I go because I literally can't come up with them fast enough. Okay, so we're going to go down and cover up. Ta-da! Pat it down so everybody stays put. Love it. I would just use my strips. Yes, Kathleen, I would too. I think that's a great idea because then you don't have to do like the crazy cutting that I was just doing. But stick to them because here, you can actually see this. I want you to see the difference in thickness. You're getting an up close and personal with my dimensionals. So look at the thickness of this side is just regular dimensionals. This is a dimensional strip. So whatever you're doing, stick with it and kind of, you know, make sure you keep it consistent. The kit is gorge. I think you are absolutely accurate. Now we need snail. Because it does tell me, layer and adhere the stamped label over the wood grain strips using dimensionals. Adhere the layer plate using adhesive dots. Okay, so if you're lazy and you're like, I'm not using adhesive dots, whatever, Trevor. Just come in here and use a snail and cheat. Okay, ta-da. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use dimensionals this time. And we're going to keep using up these bits. I know it is like double the difference. What up, Sean Gregson? Okay, go in here, put this one down. One of my kids said to me today, Mrs. McKay, you must be in a really good mood. And I said, why? He's like, because you're singing everything you say today. I'm like, oh yeah, that's it. It's either that or I'm losing my mind. Okay, peeps, we're going to come in here. We're going to take our season's greetings. Hey, if you're not a card maker and you're like, oh, that's cute. You guys, this is like the easiest card making in the world, and you look like you're super talented. Fantabulous, my kind. Oh, okay. So now, next thing we're going to do is we need some of these shenanigans out of here. Come here, you little monkeys. Okay, so just stick a couple down. Now, I am going to use my take a pick tool for this, and that would be counting on the fact that I could find it. And I have, yay me. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to go to a sheet of glue dots that has not been previously used. Just kidding, we're going to one here. And then I'm going to just, you know, like strategically, we're going to strategically glue dot it. We're going to glue dot the bejeez out of this, okay. Okay, so then you get to here, you're going to peel those off, or not. You can just struggle with it like I do, because I have no nails. Come on, you. There we go. It's funnier just to watch me say that you should do it and then not be able to do it. Okay, got them off. Adhesive dots for amateurs. No, I'm like, adhesive dots? Who are they kidding? As if I would take the time to do that. Now, on here, I'm just picking these guys up. And now you would absolutely, your take a pick tool, your, what's it called on it? You know, your putty part would pick these up perfectly. But my putty part is not attached. Therefore, I am not going to chase it right now and embarrass myself while I have to look for it. So we are going to stick my cute little snowflakes, woo, straight onto the card. So you guys, this is adorable. These are like striking looking Christmas cards. Now, if you have someone that maybe has an October or a November birthday, this is a killer birthday gift to give someone, because their first kit would come with a block, but they're also going to get the ink spot, and they're going to get the stamps, and they're good. Like, all of those bits are there. You've got your bits, people. So someone could essentially go home and be like, woo, look at me, I'm a crafter. Oh, I forgot the birds. Look at her. Thank you. Something shiny. Okay, but they're white. That's why they weren't standing out. We need 2 red birds. Did I already lose a bird? Guys, I lost a bird. Did anyone see where the other bird went? We did not. Okay, so we've got 1 bird, and then I will pop out a new bird, and hopefully Stampin' Up! Predicted that Angela was going to be doing this and lost. What happened to Minnie? I think I've got Mickey on right now. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I actually try and do it. Sometimes they just disappear and I can't find Minnie. And so then Mickey might be on for a bit. Okay, so now, because someone under the card, I feel like I don't have it. Was it there? Backings for dimensionals. I don't know. I probably brushed it on the floor like I was. Oh, I did. Did I? Is that a bird? No, that's not a bird. That's just a piece of white paper. Okay, whatever. Who cares? We're going in. We're going in, people. We're going to put our birds on. Add cardinal die cuts, 2 per card, and snowflake sequins, 5 per card. Where do we strategically place this so he doesn't look like, we're going to come up here. You're going to sit on this branch. I'm hoping that they gave me some extra birds. If not, I'm going to have to make some extra birds because I've already lost a bird. Okay, it looks like there's extras. You just got, this is Paper Pumpkin. What happened? Okay, hang on. I'm making sure I've got everyone there. I think I've answered everyone's questions. I don't think I'm behind, other than the fact that I'm a bit of a spaz. Okay. Ta-da. And then we'll put you down here. You can talk to your buddy. What up? Super sweet. Okay, so as I said, if you missed it, make sure, let me know. If you live in Canada, I've got 6 extra kits. I think 2 of them I've been called on during the video today. I've had like a dibs, mine. And so those ones I will email you when I'm done, okay? So wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Not gonna lie when I tell you I like really big sentiments to stamp inside the cards because it means I have to write less. I don't like writing Christmas cards. I like sending them. I just don't like doing all the writing. Okay, so we've got that in there. And then if you are wondering, what could I do with my super cute snowflake? I love this. Now, I don't know if I would use Night of Navy because I feel like my Night of Navy might be a little bit intense, but because I definitely feel like there was Pool Party in there, I think I'm going to grab a little bit of Pool Party. Where are you? There you are. You're directly in front. Okay, let's go here. And let's go. Doot, 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 doot. Now, it's not too late to get in on your November one. And November, remember is going to be the tag one that coordinates, okay? So, super sweet. And if you notice, the ink doesn't stick to the foil. I can actually just kind of go like that and go like that. Boop, boop, all gone. Same with the big inside sentiments. I know, I'm lazy. I like taking the time to make the card. I don't want to write it. I'd much rather make cards. We're all the same. Okay, so we've got beautiful cards and coordinating envelopes. So as I said, I've got a few of these kits left. If you would like one, please email me, let me know, and I will put it aside for you, and I can ship it out without the box. Hi, Jeanette, and that saves you money. It doesn't have to go as a parcel. It can just go as an oversized letter. Have an amazing night, you guys. Thanks so much. It's been so great seeing you so much this week, and I hope to be back. I've got a Stamp-A-Stack here at my house on Friday night, so I will not see you Friday because I'll be running around like a chicken with my head off when I get home from work. But I could potentially see you tomorrow. We will see how tonight plays out and what kind of crafting time I get. Have a great night, guys.